Hello, today's video is a quick video. It's not really about the content, but what it serves, or how it serves us. A lot of people make screencast-o-matic videos for their lean, which we're doing right now. But actually, I wanted to talk about screencast-o-matic because it's a good tool to train new employees. So, with that in mind, I would say I use screencast-o-matic for quick videos, so instead of an employee writing notes over and over again and having to go back to their notes and go back to the screen and try to get familiar with the screen, you just run the screencast-o-matic. Like, for instance, if I was to train a new employee, I say, hey, I would show them, and they could watch the video over and over again. Like, for instance, we're going to go into interiors, and we're going to pick option 1, option 2, and then option 1, and then enter an invoice. Now, while I'm doing this, I can show them in the fields what I'm actually looking for and how to do it, instead of them staring down at a piece of paper and trying to figure out their notes, or maybe they missed something while they're doing their notes. This is a good tool to use when training new employees. Quick, 15 minutes or less, 10 minutes or less videos, or longer, you could piece them together, but they're good, and then you keep them on file, and you use them as training tools for new employees, and also encourage other new employees to give their fresh perspective and make videos for other oncoming employees that are onboarding. But that's my video. Thanks. Bye.